Hello viewers, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you guys? So far all on behalf of Master BT base wishes and congratulations to all. Hello viewers, I have brought a new video in this channel. This video how to change a background in Photoshop for beginners in Photoshop Teach and Master BT. Then I will explain the video in today how to do. Before starting the video, I'd like to say that those who are the new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and like, comment, share and another channel. And so you will get motivation this video comment inshallah. So start the video without delay. Stay with me. Before starting the video, I would like to show the Photoshop and showing the image. So place your background image. So place your background image, then any kinds of image, and after open your photo and bring the new background. Okay, this is the your new all the image, and going to the file and place and resize. Then the image size that does not matter, but your size is the place you convert, or you can choose the any background by image size. Then place the new background. This is the new background. The place the move to the place the background. Okay, your place your new background in the photo setup. Okay, this is the main photo. Then layer starting order matters the panel, layer and panel. Drag the new background, the image layer below the original photo. This is the original photo of the Photoshop. Okay, then remove the background all size the Photoshop. Okay, this is the remove, and layer the panel and properties panel, the click on the removal the background image. This is the command and machine learning. Okay, and technology find the main subject is object here the image. Okay, this is the photo, the rectangle size, then the rectangular and marquee and tool. This is the size. Okay, this is the and find and remove the background. This is the photo, and this is the option and magic wand tool. Okay, this is the control W magic wand tool, the tool. This is the magic. Then one side all the remove and Photoshop and the marking, then another side shift plus cursor button, then okay, automatic all background the remove. Then main picture is the below the option. This is the main picture is the showing. Then backspace click, automatic the remove. Then background and the layer the, then log in unlock, then backspace, then automatically remove the all side and white in color and green blue and any except your Photoshop and background. This is the photo is the background remove. Then the photo in the and move to the another place, the new place the photo. This is the then Control A, then Control C, Control A the mark, then Control C the copy. This is the Control A, then Control C, then Control tab the new background, the Control B. Then paste the new background photo in the, then Control T the marking the photo in the size. Then basically your picture is the and embedded the size. Okay, this is the, and you can choose the new background. This is the and all size the you all new and version, the new background the place and the image. Okay, the most cases the layer marks the hidden, the background will need some work. The new background is this color. The select the brush tool and the toolbar and pin the either black and white. Then in black and hidden pixel, any kinds of pixel the removable the hidden pixel. This is the photo. This is the and Control M the size, Control M, then Control and the size, then Control L the size of the change your background remove, then change and the background, change your background and the size of. Okay, this is the picture. Okay, this is the picture. Then the picture and Control L the size of the and highlight, then over highlight, then change your any kinds of change and the removal. Then this is the video. So friends, no more today. Those are still subscribe to my channel, please very quickly, and bell icon button, and next it and stay with us kinds of new video. But inshallah, Allah Hafiz, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.